When you have a major depression, the very last thing you may want to do is take a jog around the block. But numerous studies have shown that a consistent, monitored exercise routine can help improve your mood and treat major depression symptoms. A 2011 study conducted at the University of Texas Southwestern Medical Center revealed that 12 weeks of daily aerobic exercise, when combined with antidepressants and psychotherapy, contributed to a remission of symptoms in almost 30% of participants, and another 20% showed obvious improvement. The participants' exercise routine included jogging on a treadmill, cycling on an exercise bike, or speed walking on the sidewalk. Even more dramatic results came out of a Duke University study. In it, exercise alone proved to be the most effective way to prevent relapse of depression. The group that only exercised had the lowest rate of symptom relapse, only 8%, compared to 38% in the antidepressant-only group, and 31% of the exercise and drug group. A few other studies conducted on the same subject came up with the same fundamental result. Exercise eases depression. But how? Some researchers say that patients may feel better because they're taking an active part in their treatment, rather than simply taking a pill. It's also likely that endorphins play a large role in improving the mood of depressed people. These chemicals, released during exercise, are known to change a person's mood for the better. It's also possible that exercise releases norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter that affects mood. Exercise can also help you gain confidence by meeting exercise goals. It can distract you from your worries and help you interact with others. If you'd like to incorporate a fitness routine into your treatment plan, speak with your mental health care provider right away. And to learn more about major depression, take a look at other videos in this series.